So this is the part 2 of the front strut replacement for 1998 Toyota Corolla. And if you watch my first video for that, I said I'm going to use this Strut compressor from Amazon, and I wasn't able to use it because I thought it won't compress this spring or this coil. But then today I tried to play with it and it really worked. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. And so as you can see, I already put it on this tool. So see this one here, this one is the higher one, and this is the one on the lower part, or the lower one. So I'm gonna show you how this machine or these tools work. So let's put this metal cover, then I will turn this clockwise. You see that? See? You can see the where you put the nut now. So, and then still more, a few more inches that we can go down, so we can still compress this spring. So let's continue. So again, clockwise, a little bit more. Now there's like enough space, so we can put this. This is the nut, and we can put the nut now. Let's put a little bit more. There you go. Then we'll be using, this is 22mm socket. So eventually this one, hold on, you couldn't see it, this one will gonna rotate, so we will using the vice grip to hold it, but we'll be using a cloth, so it won't, you're not gonna scratch that thing. Okay, just tighten it. To be a little bit more tight. There you go. Right. Now you can see the knot, and then there's few more thread on the top now. That means you are safe now. You don't need to be worried of, you know, any accident, or the spring will like it will explode or something. So you are very safe with this one. This is a good tool actually. It's already tightened. Now we can remove this vice grip. So this is really a good tool. I never thought it was really, I thought it won't compress short spring, but it did compress it, as you can see. I play with it, I thought, you know, but then it really works. So now we will gonna be loosening this one. So let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, wow. See that? Ooh. Perfect. Now let's loosen this. Alright. As you can see, it's a perfect strut. Now we just need to install it to the car, and then we're done. I bought this from Amazon. It cost me $200 Canadian dollar. So if you're interested to, you know, purchase this one, it's a good tool actually. Try it.